Advanced AI technology is not helping real estate, it's rebuilding it. And the future will belong to the ecosystems, not group of people. Hello everyone, Christina here. Welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group Session 34. AI is no longer a tool. AI is a new infrastructure. It's reshaping how multifamily deals are found, analyzed, underwriting, capitalized, and moved. The old world was slow calling the text message a webinar, the random deal flow, inconsistent capital. The new world is fast. AI-powered deal sourcing, deal matching, AI-powered underwriting, AI-powered capital alignment, AI-powered identity. This is why the future belongs to ecosystem, not groups. Groups talk, ecosystems move. Groups gather, ecosystems accelerate. Groups share information, ecosystem create momentum. In multifamily real estate, the winner will be the one who plug into a system where AI does the heavy lifting and leaders do the decision making. Session 34 prove it. Leaders show up, leaders rise, leaders move early. If you are not in the room, you are not in the momentum. If you are not in the momentum, you are not in the future. Advanced AI is shaping the next era of multifamily, and the future belongs to the ecosystem that moves first. Choose your lane, step in, rising with ecosystem today.